Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lake County in northeastern Illinois until 6:15 a.m. At 5:36 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Richmond to near Sturtevant, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Antioch, Lake Moore, Volo, and Lake Catherine around 5:50 a.m. Round Lake, Lake Villa, Island Lake, and Long Lake around 5:55 a.m. Grays Lake, Wakanda, Venetian Village, Lindenhurst, Third Lake, and Glenwood Park around 6 o'clock a.m. Gurney, Mundelein, Libertyville, and Gages Lake around 6:05 a.m. Park City around 6:10 a.m. North Chicago, Lake Forest, and Green Oaks around 6:15 a.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Fox Lake Hills, Round Lake Park, Haynesville, Lake Bluff, Round Lake Heights, Old Mill Creek, and Round Lake Beach, including the following interstates: Interstate 94 between mile markers 1 and 15, Interstate 294 between mile markers 1 and 15. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service in Chicago has